Vowel sounds in the English language. Vowel sounds form the backbone of English speech, shaping how we communicate and express ideas. English has 12 distinct vowel sounds that can drastically alter the meaning of words when pronounced differently. Short and long vowel sounds create contrasts, for example, bit versus beat showcase this difference clearly. Examples like ship and sheep highlight how vowel length influences understanding in everyday language. 12 English vowels are grouped into 7 short and 5 long vowels. For example, bit versus beat. Join us for more exciting language insights and subscribe now.